if you love fries but want to lose weight at the same time, try this sunchoke fry recipe. Hi, I'm Yoko. Today I'm going to share how to make sunchoke fry recipe. Sunchoke is a very unique root vegetable. These earthy tubers are a great source of fiber called inulin, which helps grow good bacteria in digestive system and improve gut environment, which is very important for the healthy weight loss. So I'm going to start with rinsing the sunchokes under the running water. Pat them dry nicely, and then let's cut them into fry shapes. Today I'll be doing the stick shapes, but you can do wedges or even slices. Now let's transfer these sunchokes into a big mixing bowl. And to this, let's add the flavoring. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And also I'm cracking some black pepper. Now let's mix everything well to combine. I'm going to transfer this to the parchment paper lined baking tray. Now let's bake this at 315 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until they become golden brown. And you know, great fries always comes with great dips. So I'm going to make herby tofu dip to make my fries extra saucy and yum. So for this, I'm going to use fresh herbs. My favorite is dill. So I'm chopping about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill and also 2 tablespoons of parsley leaves. And now, into a small blender, I'm going to add 3.5 ounce or 100 grams of soaking tofu, 1 teaspoon of miso paste, the zest from fresh lemon, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, pinch of salt, and pepper. Let's blend this until smooth and combined. At this point, give a taste test. And if you need more salt, feel free to add more for your liking. So to this, I'm going to add fresh herbs and mix in. So at this point, the sunchoke fries should be nicely baked. Now let's plate them up and enjoy. Dunk your fries into a dip and give it a big bite. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!